Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by signing into the identical Microsoft account on both devices. This is critical so permissions match. Once signed in, make sure your Xbox and phone share the same Wi-Fi network. Local discovery relies on that. Now, on the console, enable remote features or console streaming under Settings, Devices, and Connections. This opens the port for the app to request a connection. You're ready to move to the pairing screen on the app, which triggers the console to generate or show a connect code. You now open the Xbox app and tap the console icon in your profile to start connecting. Selecting the console will prompt an option to enter a console code. Once you choose Enter Console Code, the TV displays an 8-digit number. Type that number into the app carefully, because one mistyped digit will fail the pairing. After submitting, the app negotiates authentication with Microsoft services. Make sure both devices stay on the same network during this handshake, so the connection completes smoothly. Once you enter the code, the console typically shows a confirmation. Accept it and verify the app can control the console or stream. If connection fails, don't panic. Restart the Xbox app in the console, then request a new code and try again, because transient network issues often cause the error. If problems persist, check your router's firewall and the console's NAT type. Strict NAT or blocked ports can prevent pairing. Contact support only after these checks. Most connections finish after a restart and a
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.